All right, so today is April 6th, 2022. It's probably going to be one of my fastest recaps because I only took two trades, one here and one here. Actually, this isn't right. No, this isn't right. Well, I took two trades. I don't know why it's showing me. Maybe it's correct. Maybe it is right. Oh, okay, so you can ignore this one. This was a test trade. I went short here. No, that's not why I went short. I went short around here and I got out here, so I don't know why. I have two entries here. All right, anyway, it doesn't really matter. Went short here and got out here. Went out for 10 points. Let me just see what has happened because the exit's not correct. Okay, it's 10. All right, correct. So anyway, went short here, got out here, and then secondly went short here, got out here. Same 10 points. So two 10-point trades. Now, why did I do that? Because I think that's more important than whether it's 20-point day, which is great, but why? Okay, so let's look at price action from different time frames. So as usual, I start off with a 4 hour just to get a sense of, oh dear, this is not the chart. All right, so let's use a different chart. Let's go back to 5 minute on this. All right, so the point is we have a pullback here, and I will show this on a different chart. So we sold off strongly previous day. Since we sold off strongly, I was looking for a pullback. Didn't catch the pullback, too late at night, and then we carried on. Big massive breakout, nice trading range here, and then we broke out the trading range. Another trading range here, broke out. So at the time when I got up this morning and came to the office, I noticed that we were still breaking and making lower highs and lower lows. Small pullback bear trend. Chances are we're going lower. So I caught it here and put my exit around here. My stop was the equal distance around about here. It wasn't a technical stop, it was just a stop of points. So this was not really cool. When we got here back to my entry, actually was negative again. So my exit, as you can see, was over here. We're very close to it, but never got there. I wasn't panicking at all because of the fact that this was just streaming down below the moving average. So chances are the first reversal would fail. I knew we were probably going to get two legs up because we had one leg here already. So I just wanted to make sure that this leg would not take out my 10-point stop, which was around here. When the market opened, we went up and we formed this wedge top. And from that wedge top, we now sold off. That was actually my biggest concern, that we had just done this and we're going to form a third high. And I was concerned that this would wick me out and then go back to my target. But it didn't happen, and then we ended up getting there. All right, so why did I carry on trading? Really, just because I noticed the. Normally, whenever I see the market opening, I already know we're in a breakout. This is probably the first pullback, second pullback, third. So I now said, well, if we sell off with two bear bars, I would sell on the third. I actually sold on the fourth and entered there, just put my exit around there. And I was actually very lucky because I got filled just as this bar hit it. Um, so yeah, I was actually just the way I traded today, which was pretty cool, and why I was so happy only taking two trades was the fact that I just took it, walked away, set my exit, my stop, and I didn't really care. Did the same thing over here, entered there because I just thought, okay, we're always in shorts, and therefore we should probably see a lot lower prices. This is a close up of, in fact, let me put the markers. It's a close up of the chart today, and yeah, so that was my. This is my original. No, this is my. No, this kind of my entry. This is my original entry. So just after this bar had closed, this is already forming. I just went short here and this wicked up a bit, and I thought, okay, my stop has to go all the way up here, so I kept my stop there, and had my exit 10 points below, and that was exactly what happened. So it was a good day for that reason. The question is, had what would have happened, say, if I sold maybe a bit lower here? Would I have been filled? No, I would have been stopped out because it already hit the stops over here before it came down here. So anyway, so that's a really, really quick recap. I just wanted to record something to talk about the trade that I took.